To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap Create Story at the top of your feed to begin making a new story. You can take a new photo or video, or select one from your gallery. Next, tap on Stickers at the top of the right-hand menu. From the list of stickers, find the link Sticker, and tap on it. Enter your desired URL in the provided field. Tap Test Link to verify the URL you entered. Now enter a custom sticker text. It will appear on the sticker in place of the URL. Then tap Add in the top right corner. The sticker will be added to your photo. You can change its color by tapping on the sticker. You can resize the sticker and position it anywhere on the screen by dragging it. Finally, tap Share to post your story. Your story will be published with the clickable link sticker, and it will remain visible for 24 hours. Now, viewers who see your story can tap the sticker to open your link directly. This feature makes it easy to drive traffic to your website or content, by letting viewers access your link with a single tap. So that's how you can add a clickable link to your Facebook story.